Hey. Hey. Can I talk to you for a minute? Is that a yes?
Sure. What's up?
Right. It's about Joyce.
Who's Joyce?
Oh, Joyce. Hope's mother. Mrs. Fanola.
Hmm?
Yeah, I kind of asked her to marry me.
You what?
Look, I've been meaning to tell you that we've been seeing each other for some time now, but we've never had an opportunity to talk until now. So
So you asked her to marry you?
just take it easy, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, Sola.
Yeah, Mom. Dad is getting married. He's no longer waiting. He no longer cares. So when you get back, she might answer the door. She wouldn't know who you are. She might say, "Can I help you?" and offer directions to where you're really going. She'd say, "You've got the wrong house." She might even invite you in for a drink. Grape juice, your favorite. But she wouldn't know that, and you'll be too weak to tell her. Mom, Dad's getting married. She's Hope's mom. And not the kind of hope that I have about your grand return. No. Hope is a bacteria. She is infectious, happy, beautiful. These have truly become a continuum of unfortunate things to me, to be happy and beautiful. Infectious, but that is besides the point. Mom, Dad is getting married.
Don't let me stand on this land and be ashamed.
It's been days since I last spoke to Liz.
Guilty of blame.
She has not returned any of my calls or messages.
I